Take a blue paper. Then turn over. Fold the right corner diagonally downward. Then open the top layer and fold as shown. Fold the small part towards left. And then right as shown. Then turn over. Fold the right lower corner upward. Fold the left lower corner upward. Then fold it again as shown. Fold the right corner backward. Fold the left corner upward as shown. Then turn over. At last draw the eyes. Now the origami whale is ready.